Hi everyone, and I'm here to help you with your PUBG Battlegrounds process has crashed issue. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some troubleshooting steps so that you can get back into the game as soon as possible. If you're a player of PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds PUBG, you might have faced the issue of the game crashing when launching from Steam. In this video, we'll be discussing how to fix this issue using Epic Games. The first thing you want to do is uninstall the PUBG from Steam. To resolve this issue, players can try launching PUBG through the Epic Games launcher. Here's how. 1. Download the Epic Games launcher from the official website. 2. Install the launcher and log into your Epic Games account. 3. Navigate to the Games tab and search for PUBG. 4. Click on the Install button to download and install the game. Once the installation is complete, launch PUBG from the Epic Games launcher. This should resolve the issue of PUBG crashing when launching from Steam. The Epic Games version of the game is often more stable and has fewer compatibility issues than the Steam version. I hope this video was helpful in resolving your PUBG crashing issue. If not, please feel free to leave a comment below detailing what else you have tried so far. Someone might be able to help out with further advice. Thanks again for watching. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.